time to put the pork steaks on the grill, and I'm gonna use some of my favorite seasoning, and then I'll put some barbecue sauce on a couple of them. It takes about 20 minutes at 400 degrees. You just want to turn them and take a look at them about every 3 or 4 minutes. I'm liking that sizzle already. Liberally put this seasoning on. It's going to add to the flavor profile. Come back in about 3 or 4 minutes and check on them. I'm going to add some barbecue sauce to your pork steaks. Everybody does it differently. Some people marinate it overnight. Some people marinate it an hour before. I like to, after it's been on the grill for a while, just paint it on both sides. Give it a quick flip. Let that barbecue flavor add to the pork steak. Whatever barbecue sauce you're using, it will have a sugar content into it. And the more sugar, the faster that will cause it to burn. So you really want to watch it. Once you put the barbecue sauce on, you want to check these about every minute, or just leave it open and watch it as it cooks. But it adds such an amazing flavor profile to the pork steaks. My favorite, the one that I'm using right now, is this Bragging Rights, the Carolina Gold barbecue sauce. That's our Bragging Right. We have a whole line of that, as well as our classic barbecue sauces. Plenty of flavor profiles for any taste.
All right, Bill, you got those amazing pork steaks ready to come off that grill?
They are ready, Mike. Wow.
Oh, just wait, Bill, just wait.
Oh,
Just wait.
Mike, those pineapple looks good. So Mike, I did 2 of them, barbecue, with our Bragging Right
man,
barbecue.
that's smelling delicious. Yeah. What are them seasoned with there?
These are just seasoned with our Schnucks herb and garlic seasoning.
All right. Check that out. That's
Go along with that grilled pineapple, that is going to be something else.
That's yum right there.